Do you really need a dash cam? Whether it's for protecting yourself in an accident, capturing road trips, or just peace of mind in a parking lot, the right dash cam can be a game changer. Today we're comparing the GKU D600 dash cam and the TRAPO T550 dash cam to see which one is worth mounting in your car. I'm Branson from Best Reviews. Let's break it down. The GKU D600 offers dual channel recording with front 2.5K and rear 1080p video, giving solid clarity in most lighting. License plates were visible in daylight, but night footage showed some grain and glare. It scored an 8 out of 10. The TRAPO T550 steps it up with a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear, delivering sharper details and better low-light performance with its Sony Starvis sensor. We noticed clearer nighttime license plate capture and smoother footage overall. It earned a 9 out of 10. The GKU is easy to install with its suction mount, and it has a simple interface. But the small screen can be hard to navigate, and the buttons felt a bit flimsy during use. We rated it a 7. The TRAPO offers Wi-Fi connectivity and app control, making it easier to view and download footage without removing the SD card. It also uses a super capacitor instead of a battery, which is safer in extreme heat. It earned a 9. The GKU includes loop recording, G-sensor for collision detection, and parking monitoring. However, the parking mode requires a hardwire kit for the true 24/7 monitoring, which is not included, so it earned an 8. The TRAPO has a broader feature set with parking surveillance, app control, and a heat-resistant build thanks to the super capacitor. However, its price is higher and some features require tweaking in the app to work seamlessly, so we gave it a 9. The GKU worked reliably during testing. The suction mount held up, though the camera wobbled slightly on bumpy roads, so it earned a 7. The TRAPO was rock solid in reliability, with stable recordings and consistent frame rates, even during temperature changes. The adhesive mount provided a more secure fit than suction, so it earned a 9. The GKU D600 is a great entry-level dash cam for drivers who want front and rear coverage without a big investment, especially for city use and occasional road trips. The TRAPO T550 is for those who want premium features, better low-light performance, and a more stable app-connected setup. Ideal for daily drivers or rideshare drivers. So is the TRAPO worth the higher price? If you drive daily or want the best footage and app control, yes. If you just want basic protection, the GKU will cover your needs for a lot less. Once again, I'm Branson with Best Reviews. Let us know if you use a dash cam and why in the comments, and check the links below for the best prices. See you next time.